Ikinya ria ambunge amwe kwanirira ati matigwitikira mishara mieru iria irendekithio ni kamiti ya mishara ya aruti wira wa muingi nirirakaritie President Uhuru Kenyatta uria wagire mitwe yo kene akiuga ndagwitikira uhoro ucio ona hanini.
I am greatly disturbed by some of the remarks we've been hearing from yesterday, even before they have been sworn in, and I am stating it now, even as I wait for the Supreme Court to rule. If it rules in my favor, I am saying before you, I swear I shall not sign that law.
President akiuga ati we aranyita mbaru SLC na mendekithia mayo mothe.
Kuna mtu ambaye hakujua mshahara ile ambaye atakuwa akipata akiwa mheshimiwa. Huwezi kuja sasa ubadilishe katikati. Hapana. No. Munipende munisipende mimi sijali. Lakini hiyo we are not on the same page.
Mwaria wa thirikari Eric Kiraithe akiuga itua ria kamiti ya SLC ni ria muthia na gutire mundu uri na kihoto gia gucenjia.
We don't expect people we have just elected to promote development to turn the other way around and start blackmailing us as a republic. A lot of us here would do with a salary of 150,000, leave alone the 600 they are talking about.
Miario ya Kiraithe ni nyititwo mbaru ni ambunge amwe.
Utongoria witu ni wira wa kuheana na koguo wira wa kwirutira kire mundu athiaga hau agicaria muno ti mushara ni uria hoguteithia itura nigetha rikore
o riria ithuĩ turangeragia guteta nigetha tutetera Wanjiku ro hinyiririkite na ni ngwiciria tutiracaragia ite cia guthii gwitetera ni cia turacaragia ite cia guthii gutetera Wanjiku na ni mahitia manene muno ona tutagwetete kiugo na kimwe gia guteithia Wanjiku tukorwo ati ni ithuĩ turajia kwiyariria. Na
mũmbunge mũthure wa kaunti ya Kiambu Gathoni wa Mucoba uria uronekanaga taranyita mbaru ambunge aria marenda mishara ya tene ni agarurukite thutha wa gukirirwo muno.
Probably what I said yesterday was not in line with what my people expected. And I did not intend to go to that direction. So anything to do with salaries discussions in Parliament, for me, whatever Sarah Serem will deliver to us, I will gladly and humbly accept it and move on.
Ambunge matinirio mishara na makinyiherio marihi ma nyongerera mbere ya githurano kinene. Ikinya riria SLC yoigaga ni ria kuhuthia murigo wa marihi ma mishara iria egumeire muingi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa rekwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.